Okay, for my fifth technology, I have got the website National Geographic for Kids pulled up. I selected this resource because I thought it would be a cool way to kind of mix it up in our class and, maybe do some collaborative stuff with other teachers, like what subject matter they're talking about, and bring it to our class, maybe find some games and videos just to use. I really think this would be cool to have as an instant activity as they walk in, some of this stuff, and then also maybe just before they leave, if they're using certain things in their class, we could talk more about it. So obviously this one's for my students. I wanted to try to find another website for them instead of just for me as a teacher. But this thing has a lot to offer. It's got a ton of different games. So like this is one that you could use as they come in or before they leave, trying to crack a code. They could work together, work in teams, have them write things down, just to kind of mix it up, kind of a brain break, something a little different. And then I thought these would also be cool. These weird but true, just fast facts. Maybe something I could have up on the projector as they walk into our gym, and just something unique and cool that they didn't know, and just get them talking about something different rather than what's going on in PE or in their classroom. The standards I'm going to use for this are 5D, which are just for me to develop the skills needed to lead and navigate changes. Obviously, this is a change for us, something I haven't done before, and something that I think would be beneficial for me and the students. And the other one would be 1A, just to ensure that the students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. So this stuff wouldn't necessarily be in our standards, but it would potentially fall into some of the standards of their classroom teacher. So I think that's kind of how that one falls into play there. But I think this website's really cool and got a lot to offer, and this would be another one I'd like to show some people. I'm sure a lot of the regular classroom teachers that are non-special teachers are perfectly aware of this, but maybe not some of them. So I think it would be pretty fun.